and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. As you guys can see from the title, today I'm just going to be showing you guys my summer hair care routine. I actually got a DM from one of you over on Instagram asking me what products I use in my hair during the summer and if they are different from the winter, which yes, they are. So I figured today I would just come on here and sit down and talk all about the products that I use on my hair for the summer. And I do want to go ahead and mention that the shampoo and conditioner I'm featuring was actually sent to me by John Freida. However, that does not change anything. They're not paying me to say anything whatsoever. They simply just sent them to me as PR. And fun fact, John Freida is my absolute favorite hair care company. I actually have an entire bucket filled with John Freida products that I love and use all the time. And this isn't even all of them. There's another bucket under the bathroom sink that I decided I'm not gonna get. So just to show you guys how much I love John Freida products, I figured I would throw this in here. I think I've talked about literally every single product in this bucket. I know I've done a video on their Day 2 line, which is a great line. I also know that I've talked a ton about the John Freida Frizz Ease line, which I will be talking about way more in this video. And overall, they have the most amazing quality products that do what they say they're gonna do on the bottle, and they are a reasonable price and can be found at the drugstore. I will not be showing all the products in this bucket. If you guys would like me to do an entire John Freida hair care collection, let me know. Obviously, if you don't want to see it, I won't do it. But if you do want to see it, let me know in the comments down below. I also will be featuring a bunch of products from Not Your Mother's. They have no idea who I am. However, I really wish they did because I love their products as well. And as always, all the products that I mentioned in this video will be listed down below for you guys in case you're interested in purchasing any of them. So now that I've gone on long enough, let's jump into the video. So starting off with the shampoo, this is my absolute favorite shampoo for the summer. It is the John Freida Frizz Ease Daily Nourishment Moisturizing Shampoo, and it cuts down a ton on the frizz. A lot of people are like, it probably doesn't do anything. Let me tell you, if I were to come on here after a week of showering with normal shampoo in comparison to a week of showering with this shampoo in the summer, there would be such a dramatic difference. Maybe I should actually do that for a video. Getting back to what I was saying, this along with the conditioner are amazing. John Freida actually had sent me these two. They are just the travel size of the shampoo and conditioner. This full-size product is under $7, which shampoo can be pretty expensive. Two other John Freida Frizz Ease products that I have been loving for this summer are these. This one is the Frizz Ease Leave-In Conditioner. I absolutely love the cute little bottle. This is the travel size one. They do have a full-size one. And literally with this, all you do is spray it on your hair after you get out of the shower. It does a really good job at helping to detangle your hair as well as moisturize it for throughout the day and stuff. And like the shampoo and conditioner, it is part of the Daily Nourishment line. This is not a product that I use every single time I shower, but it is something I use at least once a week. And the last John Freida Frizz Ease product I will be mentioning is one that I've included in favorites and talked a lot about recently on my channel, and it is the John Freida Frizz Ease Secret Weapon. Let me tell you, they're not joking when they say it's a secret weapon, because let me tell you, you can put this on your hair when your hair is dry and it gets rid of all of the frizz and static and everything like that. Now, a bunch of you are probably sitting at your computers thinking, why didn't you use it right now to help your frizz? And again, I mentioned it earlier, I'm showering after this and I don't feel the need to waste any of the product on my hair if I'm just gonna rinse it out. But I did use this yesterday morning and this is my hair. If I were to not use any product in my hair would probably be out of here because I have super duper curly hair. This is meant to calm and soothe frizz prone hair, and let me tell you, it works wonders. It's especially great if you've straightened your hair, because I don't know about you guys, but I always get so much static after I straighten my hair, and I used to be one of those people that was like, life hack, use a dryer sheet, and I would use a dryer sheet and rub it on my hair, and it does work. However, this works a lot better. And then I don't smell like a load of clean laundry. Now, there's nothing wrong with smelling like a load of clean laundry. However, I'd much rather use this than a dryer sheet. So to tackle the frizz and tame my hair, those are the products that I have been using this summer. Moving on to tools, I just have two of them. The first one I've mentioned here on my channel before, and it is the Turby Twist. I actually got mine for Christmas, and I believe my mom got them on Amazon, and they came in a 2-pack, and this is just what it looks like. It has sprinkles on it, and the other one has cupcakes. But basically, this is a microfiber towel that you wrap your hair in after you get out of the shower to help soak up the water. It works great. I also think that it gives me really great curls without having to curl my hair with heat, because obviously when you use this, you hold your head upside down and then you twist the towel around your hair and put it back. And so the whole twisting motion, if you leave this in your hair for long enough and your hair dries, then you get really cute curls. And the other tool that I use all the time, I actually don't think I've mentioned here on my channel. I might have mentioned it in like a favorites video like 4 or 5 years ago, because yes, I've been doing my monthly favorites for 5 years. The product is this hairbrush. It is the wet brush. This one is just the original full size one. I also have the wet brush squirt, which is like a travel size that is this big, that is actually in my purse, and is the one that I've mentioned previously. I absolutely love this. It doesn't pull at your hair. It goes through tangles like they're not even there when your hair is wet. And I think that one of the main reasons this works so well at not damaging your hair is because the bristles are super duper thin and they're also very flexible. So it's not a brush you can like rip through your hair with. And then the 3 other products that I have to share with you for this video are from the Not Your Mother's brand. I love this brand as well. It has great products. The first 2 are from the same line, and it is the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe line. The first one is an actual styling product, and this is just their texturizing sea salt spray. And I use this if it is a day where I am letting my hair down to air dry. After showering, I literally will take a towel and gently soak up as much water as I possibly can from my hair. Obviously, you don't get all of it out. And then I go ahead and just spray this all over my hair. And like the product name suggests, it gives you really nice texturized beachy waves in your hair, as if you had just gone and swam in the ocean and come out and let your hair air dry. It also smells really great. It has like a coconutty sunscreen beach scent to it. And according to the bottle, it is infused with dead sea salt and sea kelp. And to use it, I literally just take it and spray it all over my hair, and then I kind of like run my fingers through my hair and scrunch it a little bit at the ends. From that same line is a dry shampoo that I love. This is the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Dry Shampoo. So if I haven't washed my hair and I feel that I need a dry shampoo, this is one of the ones that I go to in the summer. And this one is in the scent Toasted Coconut. I absolutely love this. Their dry shampoos are amazing. They last forever. They are a good price, and they have so many different ones. But for the summer, this one is definitely a favorite, especially if I'm using second day hair from a day when I have used the texturizing spray. But if you're looking for a dry shampoo that gives you just some nice texture, this is a great one. It also doesn't leave any residue and doesn't turn your hair white. And then the last product I will be mentioning in this video to finish up my summer hair care routine is another Not Your Mother's product, and it is another dry shampoo as well. This is the Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy Dry Shampoo, and I got the scent Orange Mango. And this one is great because it gives your hair a lot of volume, and this is the dry shampoo that I go to on a regular basis when I'm using a dry shampoo. And like the other Not Your Mother's dry shampoo, it doesn't leave any residue or turn your hair white or anything like that. So those are just the products that I use during the summer. As of right now, for my hair care routine, I do not know where I would be during the summer without the John Freida Frizz Ease line. Today I have second day hair, and yesterday I used a bunch of the Frizz Ease products that I mentioned in this video. And as you guys can see, the humidity here in Maine is definitely getting to my hair and it's getting crazy. However, I didn't want to add more products into it because I'm literally showering after I do this video, and it would be a waste of the products to put them in and then wash them out. But just know that the humidity levels here in Maine are absolutely insane. And this is my hair with the humidity on second day hair after using these products. So that just kind of goes to show how well they work. Like I mentioned earlier, if you guys would like to see an entire John Freida hair care collection, definitely let me know. It's kind of a random video, but since I do have so many John Freida products and highly recommend all of them, if you guys would like to see my collection of them, let me know. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new content regularly and would love if you'd become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!